Hi everybody and welcome to AR Jammo. So this is going to be our 100th video that we have ever uploaded. Currently we have somewhere around 50 members or 50 subscribers and somewhere around about 11,000 views, which is pretty cool. So Ryan here is a lot taller than what we were about 5 years ago when we started this, and I got a lot more grey hair, so we'll see how it goes. We really started this channel just because we were doing all this stuff anyway, so we thought, why not start filming and putting it out there? It's all for fun. There's a lot more that happens in the background that never gets filmed and put up. There is things that have been filmed and haven't been put up yet, and some projects from ages ago that have never been finished, which we will get to. We have other projects that are compounding on those projects, so hopefully all that will come out very soon. But we've had a lot of fun so far, a lot of learning from the very first videos up until now, and still much more to learn. So it's a bit of a challenge when you're a one-man operation sometimes, and Ryan's throwing in stuff in the background, helping out with cameras and other bits and pieces as well. And I've had plenty of other people help me with things as we've gone as well, which has been very much appreciated. So for everybody that's out there that has watched everything, even if it's 5 seconds up to every single second of every video that we've posted, thank you very much. Not expecting anything, not expecting to be massive and famous, just having some fun and have helped a few people along the way, which is really, really good. So thank you again for everything, and there is much more to come yet.